Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am in the house because you guys requested me to make a video about the best sliders on the market, or my favorite, and here I am checking them out for you. I just narrowed this down to 8, but you know what, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, let me know if you like them, let me know which one is your favorite, because these are amazing. I mean, Maki CP2, hello, fantastic. This is Zirc and brass, of course. There's 100 only of these made. It's basically like 3 parts. There's magnets and there's like a bearing right over here. You can detach this guy, so you have like a sliding action, kind of like that. If you want, you can just take this apart, all right? Rotate, just install it on this side, and you're gonna have this kind of clicking action. So it doesn't slide, but it just clicks. So that's why this is a pretty cool one. And of course, you can be subtle. You don't have to be obnoxious and annoying everyone, or you can be really loud. That's amazing. This is the ACEDC Gamer. This is the slider. It's also like, of course, a clicker, but it's a very cool slider, which also rotates. Fantastic. I mean, sound. It's great. You want to be quiet? You can. You want to be clicking away? It's gorgeous. Or you can just rotate it like that. It's beautiful. Also blasted Zirc, like all of these guys are blasted Zirc except this one. ACEDC Go Bigger collaboration. This is the Milky. It is a slider, rotates, and also has a haptic coin right over here. So ridiculously good slider, of course. And next one is Tom EDC. This is the Majonga tile, and it's of course gorgeous, polished Zirc, deeply engraved on the front, and on the back you have the clicker. So that's why this is a multi-fidget, and this rotates, and also the crown rotates like that, so you can orient that, and that is the slider, which in this case you see it has like 4 of these spring tension ball bearings and a set of 16 magnets and a little bit of Teflon tape to smoothen down the action of this gorgeous, one of my favorite toys. Next up, you have the simple ones, and this is the One Studio Bulletproof Shield. This is the number 14, 1-4, and it's sporting like 12 magnets on this classic, fantastic, very simple toy. You see, you can just rotate like that, okay, or like this. It's kind of hard to do with the camera, but it slides on the side, and of course slides up and down. Lauti Shuffle Set of Kings. This is a fantastic one. Zirc stainless steel copper insert. It is the smoothest of the series. They had all stainless steel and copper as well, but boys, this is the smoothest. Very, very cool. And it's a clicker. Like, not everyone knows, but you can click it away from this corner here, or just slide it away like that. Very pleasant. And also, again, this guy can be unobtrusive or a little bit louder. Black mirror design Choclick. This is great. There's only 100 made of these. It is like a simple slider, okay, with tracks and ball bearings, and there's like 12 magnets. But what is gorgeous is the sound, because these pockets milled on the Zirc are creating a really unique sound, and the feel also. It's gorgeous in the hand because it's a little bit bigger. And also this slides as well. You can rotate like that. It's a little bit cumbersome because it's big, not as easy as this one, but one of the best sounding slider on the planet. And this is the 42 Cosmo Nebula, one of my favorite slider. Quiet, smooth, zirk, neat. I mean, these are like seriously top of the game slider, simple and complex that I could find. And of course, like for example, there is also, I just want to mention something for the Mackie right over here. That's the CP2. You get also some other versions of this one, the Nano, the CP3 and the CP5, which are working on the same concept of that. And just a special mention this time goes to the Red Flame right over here. This is a great slider, Zirk polished in this case. It's a pretty nice fan. Anyways, there you have it, guys. Hope you really enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.